For question 37, I would probably pick u to be 1 over theta. Remember with trig functions that this is not cosine times 1 over theta, but it's cosine of 1 over theta. So this is kind of stuck inside of the cosine, which is what makes me think that should probably be my u. And then that would make du be, well, I might rewrite this with exponent rules so that I can take the derivative a little bit easier. So bring the power down, lower the power by 1, took the derivative of theta, so we need a d theta, and then of course a negative exponent is the same thing as a positive exponent if you move it to the other side of the fraction. So if I start to try to replace this stuff, all of this could be cosine u, so that looks good. And then the rest of this stuff is almost du, but not quite. So what I have is 1 over theta squared d theta, and above it I've got a negative. So to get from this step to this step, multiply by -1. So we've got to multiply by -1 there too. So the only way that you can replace 1 over theta squared d theta is with a -1 du. Okay, and then that should be the harder parts for you. After this, the thing that you can take the derivative of to get cosine would be sine. Don't leave u's in your answer, so use this guy up here. Plug u back in, and then that should be your answer.